Download a copy of Red Hot Sexy Marriage. The link is in the description below. You and your husband began this journey by falling in love. The love was real and heartfelt, but over time your husband has fallen out of love with you. It happens, but in many cases, it happens for the same reason over and over again. You know what your husband likes. You once knew what your heart told you to do. Remember what it took to draw your husband in the beginning and start from there. With every marriage, there are people who get comfortable and complacent. That's when things begin to slip. Do you still bring your husband a cool drink while he's watching the game? I know everyone doesn't do that, but many people started off doing things like that. Then after marriage they tell him to go get their own drink and ask, why does he have to watch the game? Ladies, that is not wise. If you change the things that you do that made you fall in love with you, you should expect that your husband will change as well. Go back to the old landmarks that made him fall in love with you in the first place. Learn more. Don't forget, get a copy of Red Hot Sexy Marriage. The link is in the description below.